Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to the Sky Network Show, Season 5, Episode 3. I'm really glad that everybody is joining in. We are going live on Facebook and YouTube and on X. Um, Today's show will not be a lengthy one, it will be a very short, sweet, and to the point. Because end of the day, the Sky Network show was created to have a platform for the community to know what happened in the past week and what's going to be happening in the upcoming week. So today, Yogesh and Richie both has some commitments where they have to be there. But as you guys know, I am committed every Saturday 2 p.m. UTC to be here with all of you guys to be answerable, to take responsibility, take blames. But end of the day, what matters is what we created. We have been doing this for last 2 years now, and we are making such amazing progress that unfortunately I'm unable to share everything. That is part of being associated and moving to the corporate ladder. But I would like to definitely let you guys know that the three major problems which we were having, which was about one was our Sky.exchange to needed a replacement, needed a new exchange. So let me share with you guys. So we are live with the new decentralized exchange on Sky Network. So make sure to start using it. Let me put it the link here. It is swap.sky.network. It's simple, easy, and run on. This is the new platform which we have created. So of course, there are much better options when you when it comes to the maintainability of the decks. So, for example, just give me 1 minute. I'm adding a QR here so you guys can scan the QR and see the. So, yeah. So here we go, and you have the new QR code, guys. So feel free to scan the QR code and just directly visit the link. The link is swap.sky.network. I think I should be able to add it here somewhere. Just give me a minute. HTTPS. By the way, also this show is all about conversing, and when it comes to conversation, it's never a one-way street. There are always two sides of the story, and feel free to put your side of the story in the chat as well, so we can take that. Um, okay, there we go. Hopefully this would show now. Yeah, this is the one second. Yeah, this is the new swap which we are which is we have started. So right now, for example, you can see that the chart data is not here, and the analytics is still being loaded. But the reason being, there is something called a graph server, and it right now it is being it is like kind of what we call it. Getting the data from all the past trades on the Sky network. So basically, it is right now feeding on the data, but soon we'll have the charts here as well as analytics also here start showing up. Here you will be able to see the live price of the Sky on the DEX, and as you can see, we already have got the new tokens here. So, for example, also we have added the liquidity on the DEX as well, so you can start trading. So for example, SATS is one Satoshi. So right now, the price of the Sky on the Sky mainnet is still a lot high. I think. Let me see. On the CoinGecko, we should be somewhere in the range of 2 SATS. But again, guys, mainly this is something which is kind of an ongoing process. Okay, so right now current price of the sky is 1.3 SATS, whereas the price of the sky on asset like on mainnet is quite high. The reason, there are multiple reasons. One of the reason is the issue we had with the coin mask debt. Um, so because of that we had to redo a lot of things, but we are this is good always. It creates an opportunity for a new development. So let me share my screen here. So right, also the second big issue which we are having. So for example, right now the swap is working fine. You can simply just swap it, and this will give you your desired tokens. And yeah, I think team has done a good job with the UI, though I know that there are things which are missing, for example the uh, graph and all, but this is something which is work in progress and it will be completed soon. Okay, but as you can see that most of the coin mask is here, avax is here, most of the tokens, like all the wrapped versions of the tokens are also here, and the liquidity we will be adding um, step by step, because we want to make sure that that with our yeah, so we want to make sure that the way uh, it is deployed is to make sure that the community's resources are not wasted anywhere. Also, let me show you the new platform which is also live now. So this you can visit on the dep.coinmass.org, where the CM's price is much better than before, and this should increase, and there will be an addition of the liquidity in the stepwise manner, where we will be trying to bring the price of the CM up by burning as many CM as possible, and trying to get the look trying to get better at reducing the circulation supply of the CM. So that is also something which is right now in progress. So for example, here you can see that uh, the lock release is working. So also, so for example, right now the claims for the DAO rewards is working, and users are able to claim, like stake their SATS and sorry, lock their SATS and get the rewards and network rewards. So all the things are working good and green on the um, CoinMask dev side now. So that is one great what we can see, that it is a great update. So for example, from our last meeting, I had couple of messages from our community that okay, this is what their first priority was, and that was the reason I took this as a first priority and wanted to make sure that it is completed. So it is completed, I can say that right now. Also, we have some additional updation with the ranks visible on the network page also. So now it becomes much easier to track every all the numbers on one single place. Also, change in the CM. Many of you might have changed, like reduced rewards with the network rewards and the DAO rank rewards, and the main reason being that you might not be fulfilling the minimum requirement which we have in the docs, right? So for example, here we have documentation, right? Let's see. Yeah, so here if you will see in the tokenomics, yeah, so here you can see, right, to get the democratic reward chain, you need to have at least, yeah, minimum five direct referrals which are, so for example they should have minimum of minimum stake and other requirements which are required as per the program. So you can check all those requirements in the user also. Yeah, so we'll be updating some more things, but so far whatever we decided that we should which should be up by this Saturday is up. So that's a great news, guys. Congratulations, Sky community, and thank you for making me holding hold responsible for my word. And I really appreciate, and I will try myself, and I'll try my best to keep my word. And I know I'm not so great at it, and there is also 1000 reasons if I would go up giving you the reasons. But end of the day, what I am trying to achieve is being so reasons should not be like. Also, this is one clear distinction I have also learned, that results does not like reasons does not equal to results, right? So I can give you 100 great reasons for not doing something, but end of the day what matters is the results. And so this is again getting back to the ground, like getting back from the ground, but back up. We are strong and we'll keep moving up. So one of my friend also really gave this uh, this was one discussion I was having. It is very important that every day we keep kicking. So he is a footballer. He used to play uh, football professionally. So uh, that's what his core idea of life is. Like, it doesn't matter whether we win today, lose today. It doesn't matter whether we played or we practiced or whatever we did. What matters is getting up every day and keep kicking. And that's what we are doing. Every day we will keep kicking, and we'll reach there. Give it a time. Sometimes it could be more challenging, but other times it would be much easier. It's part of life. So we'll keep on digging and keep on working hard to make sure that our community has the access to the best tools possible. Okay, and we'll be trying to make sure that with the coin mask now working properly, and new community joining soon, I think yeah, we'll be able to get over it very soon. Now the exciting part is we do have postponed the centralized exchange listing, but not too far. The central next date for centralized exchange listing is 12th February. Okay, and on the 12th February we uh, this is so far it's like we are good. We are getting ready for that. Be trading on LBank. So right now there is no plan to change the date, but again I'll keep you guys updated throughout the course of the every week, so you can have much more surety on that. And this is something which a great time for, because by the probably 12th of February I'll be able to share working on for last maybe like what, it's been almost like 10 to 15 months, something I was not able to share, and right now it. But by February we should be already public with the, and we would have a great. Uh, I mean, I'm really saying that with every community member and every who is there with the Sky for this many. Yeah, make sure to stay tuned. Join the Telegram group. Is doing good. Our Dex is doing good. Prices on the of the Sky also will start improving very soon. And yeah, keep kicking every day, guys. Okay. So I think I'm connection. Yeah. If anybody in the chat, if my voice is coming good and there is no internet discontinuity, but anyway, about to reach end of our as well. because I need to get to working. Okay, thing as always, and I'm building it for the community. So that is also there. And what I'm building is something related to the poly market and predictions tree. So, but I wouldn't be able to share you all the details right now. But the work is in very good progress. So we have on this side we have made on the multi-chain DEX aggregators. For example, right now we have already successfully our code base the single chain multi-DEX. So we have been able to do it successfully. Of course, deploy it on all 8 networks where we are, and this will again additionally create the utility for the SCAI on multi-chain as well. So, for example, every DEX aggregator on every chain will be like all the fees, whatever we incur from that will be SCAI will be back and burnt. So, as you know, SCAI is very like this is the best part about the SCAI also, that we keep burning things, we keep burning SCAI, and that's what makes SCAI unique. And even like if you see today's top 100 projects, nobody who is as good as at burning their the best deflationary ratio. I think we would have right now industry one of the best inflation deflationary rate, and we'll keep doing it. So right now you can see that we already have like 23 million sky burnt. Soon we'll with this new utilities which we are bringing on all the different networks, not just sticking to the sky mainnet only and not limiting ourselves by just building the utilities for sky on sky mainnet, but instead pivoting to building the utilities in different networks as well. Why? Because we could do it. We have developer power, we have know-hows and the community to do so. Then why not, right? So we are definitely going ahead in that task. So looking forward to bringing also where the sky will be where sky will either have a utility by buyback and burn, or by direct use of sky. Uh, there are different ways to do it, but for each different utility which we will be building, there will be a different mechanism. So for example, with the prediction market, a prediction trading platform which we might be bringing, we will be having a sky as a utility token for that. Again, we will have so many new things also. So make sure to stay tuned and keep continuing the progress. Make sure to join the program, because see, the coin mass industry where you can directly participate in day-to-day operations of the project. Okay, and that's not a small thing, guys. Okay, you are becoming part of the sky network, and you are becoming part of the operation part of the operational team of sky, and that's a really big thing. And thank you everyone already joined in. Yes, Abbas, the new dex skydex is live. It is available on swap.sky.network. Okay, so we have so dex is working, coinmask is working. We have new liquidity being added every day. So stay tuned, and because SATS is not just like an ordinary token, it is a Bitcoin. It is a Bitcoin. Okay, so it is gonna take some time, but not too long. So we have that, and I have to, because I need to go back to working, guys. I will have to drop, but it's amazing to everybody here. Thank you for joining in, taking this time out. I really appreciate your participation with Sky Network, and and I am committed towards making sure that I provide my time and resources building the tools and the required utility for the sky. And we have a core team, also developers. It's not just me who is working on it, right? There's a lot of people, a lot of manpower doing a lot of things, in order to make sure that our community deserves the best available in the market. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be bringing new and new things. But thank you everyone for joining in. Wishing every one of you a very happy weekend and productive week ahead. We'll see you next Saturday, 2 p.m. UTC sharp. So stay tuned. Have a good day. We'll see you everyone. Bye bye.